Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the Steam client, sign in, and go straight to your profile settings. Once signed in, click your username, choose View Profile, then Edit Profile so you can access privacy settings. You do this first because visibility controls are centralized and change what others see immediately. Make sure to use the desktop client for full options. The mobile app mirrors most settings but may hide one or two advanced toggles you need. Now, navigate to Privacy to modify who can see games and play activity. You change game details to private so playtime, achievements, and the list of games are no longer public. Once done, alter profile and inventory visibility to friends only or private, depending on whether you want select friends to see anything. Also turn off broadcasting and in-client sharing. These settings prevent Steam from broadcasting your session to other users or disclosing what you're playing. Make sure to save each change. Steam sometimes asks you to confirm and check your profile page. You finish by switching your Steam status to offline or invisible so friends don't see you launching games. Once done, open a secondary account or ask a friend to view your profile to confirm your playtime and game list are hidden. If something still appears, clear the Steam client cache, restart the client, and reapply the privacy toggles. Occasional sync delays happen. Make sure your mobile presence is separate. The app can show activity unless you also set it to offline or adjust mobile privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.